नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JBN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject named System Analysis and Design. And today's session is JET participants. Now on this topic, I would like to cover basically the JET participants, and also I am telling you about the JET. In my previous lectures, I also told you about what is JET, benefits of JET, problems which arises during JET, and later on I just want those who have not listened my previous video, so I just want to tell you about JET in very brief, so that you can easily coordinate, or you easily understand what is JET participants. So basically JET is a software development approach which engages the client and the end users for designing and developing the system. This model was designed and put forward by Dr. Chuck Morris and Dr. Tony Crawford of IBM, who proposes this model in the late 1970s. As compared to other primitive SDLC model, joint application development model leads to faster progression of the system development, which has better client approval. Now come to our main topic, that is JET participants. What do you mean by participants? Participants means those who are participate in a particular event or any task. So basically you are involved in that activity, you can say. So this is the basic role of participants. Same here, because J is for joint, so it is a joint collaboration, you can say. So in this, selecting JET participants is done in the same basic way as selecting like interview participants. Participants are selected on the basis of what information they can contribute, okay, they provide a broad mix of organizational levels and to build political supports for the new system. They need of all JET participants to be away from their offices at the same time can be a major problem. Okay, are you getting what I am trying to say? Means it is necessary that they means participants, should be away from their offices, because there is a joint collaboration. So at the same time when they are away from the office, so it might be possible a major problem, so that they can't equally participate in an event. So they should be at a same place, so that they can take they take part in that event. So the office may need to be closed or run with a skeleton staff until the JET sessions are complete. Okay. So ideally, the participants who are released from the regular duties to attend the JET sessions should be very best people in that business unit. However, without strong management supports, JET sessions can fail. Okay, because of the reason those selected to attend the JET sessions are people who are less likely to be missed. That is the least competent people. So we are always saying ki we can't just ignore a small or minor things, because that minor thing can create a problem in the future. Okay, this is the businessman thought. You can't ignore it, you can't forget it, because each and everything is important in an event to become a successful. So participation is the most important thing in every aspects. So a facilitator should be someone who is an expert in JET or EJET, you can say, that is E for electronic techniques, are ideally someone who has experience with the business under discussion. In many cases, the JET facilitator is a consultant external to the organization because the organization may not have a regular day-to-day need, okay, for JET or you can say EJET expertise. Developing and maintaining this expertise in-house can be expensive, okay, because when you are learning anything, you have to spend some time, you have to spend some cost also, है ना. So obviously physical involvement is very much important. So here what I am trying to say, developing and maintaining this expertise in house can be expensive, right? So this is all about JET participants. Now this is a question for our practice. What is the role of JET participants? Thank you for listening me. I hope you understand this video, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.